just going to do a few foot exercises. So these are all about foot strength, articulation and malleability of the foot to be able to move very well. It's going to work on the ankle support strength and flexibility, and possibly a little bit of lower leg stuff as well. The first exercise, you take a heavy band or a doubled over light band. You make it into almost like a tread underneath the foot, and we're going to start in demi-point. So it's like you've got the toes pulled back towards the knees and a really high arch. And then keeping that high arch, you can have the heels supported and down or in space. You point and flex the ankle. And what we're always trying to do is work knee, ankle, middle of foot, middle toes, or second toe, somewhere around there. Do about 8 to 10. If it feels really easy, just increase the pressure on the band, but don't break it. Be always mindful of the capacity of the equipment to support the power of the body. So when you've done about 10, we go to more of a point position. I want you to create still an arch into the foot, but reach through the toe bones, keeping the toes long, don't scrunch them up. And then keeping that alignment, again, point and flex. About 8 to 10. Just feel like you're working hard through the foot, and if it wavers a little bit, try and minimize that. It's just the muscles adapting to the movement and the load. So the third one's going to be taking the foot, and you make almost like a little nest in the band, and you fold it over the top of the foot, and then make sure it's over the little toe side of the foot and the big toe pad as well, possible. Make sure it's not going to slip off, so you might have to vary the side of the bands. One side's normally sticky, one side's a bit smoother. And also, if your socks are just slippy, you might need to do barefoot. And so we're going to start with the band on the inside line of the leg. We can have the knee bent, we can have the leg straight. Just find a comfortable position. We're going to try not to move too much in the knee. We're going to create a little bit of inversion. So we're like making the foot turn away from the center line. So it's like you're trying to push the big toe lower than the little toe, and then keeping that alignment with scooping the foot out to the side and pushing it more into that shape as you bring it back, sort of flattens out, and then push through the big toe line and pull the foot across. And it's moving the foot, you're shifting through all the bones of the foot, strengthening the ankle, but also making the shin spiral a little bit, and that's where keeping the knee still is really important. 2 more. When you've done about 10, we reverse, change the hand. So the band is now pulling across from the outside to the inside, and we're going to create the little toe lower. So we're keeping the knee still, and then we're pulling the band across, scooping it into almost supination, or that's hands really, and we're going to pull the foot across, tip and tilt, tuck, and really feel that power through the foot, keeping the toes long, no scrunching up, trying to keep the arch as active as possible. Breathing in and out all the time. We've done about 10 of those. We swap and go to the other side, and there's just 4 really simple exercises to help strengthen, balance up feet, and make us more active and able to move all the time. Thank you.